Kalki Avatar, the warrior incarnation. Sukadev Goswami said to Parikshit Maharaj, O king, in the age of Kali, religion, truthfulness, cleanliness, tolerance, mercy, duration of life, physical strength, and memory will all diminish day by day because of the powerful influence of Kali. In Kali Yuga, wealth alone will be considered the sign of a man's good birth, proper behavior, and fine qualities. As the earth thus becomes crowded with a corrupt population, whoever among any of the social classes shows himself to be the strongest will gain political power, and hypocrisy will be accepted as virtue. People will be duplicitous, hypocritical, and quarrelsome. A man will be known as Brahmana just by wearing a thread. One who is very clever at juggling words will be considered a learned scholar. Spiritual hermitages will be no different from mundane houses. A sacred place will be taken to consist of no more than a reservoir of water located at a distance. Men and women will live together merely because of superficial attraction. Marriage will be arranged simply by verbal agreement, and beauty will be thought to depend on one's hairstyle. Principles of religion will be observed only for the sake of reputation. Filling the belly will become the goal of life. Harassed by famine and excessive taxes, people will resort to eating leaves, roots, flesh, wild honey, fruits, flowers, and seeds. Struck by drought, they will become completely ruined. The citizens will suffer greatly from cold, wind, heat, rain, and snow. They will be further tormented by quarrels, hunger, thirst, disease, and severe anxiety. The maximum duration of life for human beings in Kali Yuga will become 50 years. He who can maintain a family will be regarded as an expert man. Family ties will extend no further than the immediate bonds of marriage. By the time the age of Kali ends, the bodies of all creatures will be greatly reduced in size. Cows will become like goats. At that time, the Supreme Personality of Godhead will appear on earth. He will rescue eternal religion. Lord Vishnu, the Supreme Soul of all, appears to protect the principles of religion and to relieve his saintly devotees. Lord Kalki will appear in the home of the most eminent Brahmana of Sambal village, the great soul Vishnu Yasha and Sumati Devi. Lord Kalki, the Lord of the universe, will mount his swift horse Devadatt and with a sword in hand will travel over the earth, exhibiting his mystic opulences and special qualities of Godhead, displaying his unequaled effulgence and riding with great speed. He will kill by the millions those thieves who have dared to dress as kings. When the Supreme Lord will have appeared on earth as Kalki, and all the impostor kings will have been killed, Satya Yuga will begin, and the residents will once again feel the breezes carrying the most sacred fragrance of the sandalwood paste and other decorations of Lord Vasudeva, and their minds will thereby become transcendently pure. In this age of Kali, anyone who chants the name of God, that is, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, can very easily cross over the vast ocean of material existence and go back home, back to Godhead. कल्कि अवतार की जय जय जय।